Yeah, these aren't my eyelashes.
Skip2mylou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. Welcome back to another Because Instagram video where we find weird things trending on Instagram and we try them. Just because. All right, so have you seen on Instagram those crazy long lashes? I thought it was fake at first, but it's some Asian mascara that makes your lashes insanely long. Now, the first time I saw a video of this mascara being applied, I honestly thought it was fake because they would break in the video and when you came back, the lashes were longer, and I thought to myself, they put something on there and pretended it was the mascara. Beyond that, I didn't think much more of it until I was with my sister this past weekend, and she had not that same mascara, but a mascara that does the same thing. So today we are going to try it and see if it really does make your lashes that long. I bought the one she had. She got it off of Amazon. Heavy Full Figure Membrane Force Eyelash to Cream. What? Beauty is always accompanied by a legend, by inside and the fashionable glamour. Makeup for season, it says. Paste light, soft, slippery, dazzle rich black color. Richly contains vitamin B5 and collagen and nourish eyelash. Equipped with innovative 3D brush head, instant blossom, thick, durable roll. Become wrapped such as light wings. Blink, angelic, clever. Okay, whatever. We're just gonna try it. I am sans mascara. Therefore, in my opinion, scary. And there's what that looks like. And that just confirms it's the same one that my sister purchased. The mascara that's actually on those videos on Instagram, I don't know. I can put that down below, but I'll also put this. But you might not want it unless we see that it really works. So, whoa, it's too close up. Okay, you guys all know I have old eyes, so we're just trying mascara. Here we go. I already don't believe it, but I don't have the right one. So the one thing I don't like about this is it is waterproof. I like my mascara to come off. We're just going to concentrate on one eye right now. I think you're supposed to apply several layers. All right, already they are quite long. So I was honestly thinking to myself just now, what a big waste of time this video is going to be when this mascara doesn't work. Okay, another one. Yeah, these aren't my eyelashes. It's much longer. That's as close as I'm gonna get to the camera. Don't complain. Jax is in here. You wanna see him? Yeah, Kenta! Look! Well, let's look at you. Hi! Who's a big boy? Yeah, okay. Oh, stretching is nice. Oh, all right. We are ready for, I don't know, what is that? The third application? Oh, God. That's long. I'm going to keep going. Anyway, on the video, the bottom lashes are what gets me. They come down to here. So I don't put mascara on my bottom lashes, but again, this is for science. No, it's not. Try not to make that face when I put bottom lashes on. It's ugly. Oh my God. Let's put more on the top because I don't mind those getting a little bit out of control. You know, I think they cut away on those videos so many times because to get them to come down to here, I think would take probably an hour. It's not fast. The only problem with mascara like this, and you can see it on the video on Instagram or videos, you can't get your lashes to stay separated. They kind of clump together in several different points. But I'm gonna keep going. Oh my God. There comes a point when your lashes are long enough, if not too long. Excuse me, I messed it up earlier. I'm gonna look on the internet to see if anyone else has had success with making their eyelashes crazy, crazy long. They end up being like 5 different sprigs coming out of the bottom. Whoa, that's ridiculous. Yeah, it's the bottom lashes that are crazy. All right, let's continue. Uh-oh, I created a mess. I need a sharp item. Okay, this isn't sharp, but it will work. I had to separate a couple of them. I look ridiculous already, or still. All right, I'm gonna let you guys see what's happening. It's friggin' crazy. I don't know if I should quit. All right, so I am gonna stop here because all it's doing is getting underneath my eye and my lashes are starting to touch my skin. Here's this. And I know that if I did continue to put this on, I could probably get them twice as long. So if you guys were looking for a freak show in this video, you kind of got one, but not the kind you were looking for. If you continue to put this mascara on to get them even longer, you're gonna end up with just one. It starts out with, say, 50, 25, 12, 6, 3, and then you're just one big lash. I'm not going to put the link for this down below in the description box because I don't recommend it. I don't think it's so fantastic as far as mascaras go. I would rather my good old voluminous and have, you know, normal lashes. I do want to see how easily this stuff comes off, but it's not like I'm ever going to wear this again. My sister liked it. I do not. You know what I feel like right now? A Clockwork Orange. Yeah, this whole thing. I'll show you a picture if you don't know what that is. Anyway, you guys, that's it for this Because Instagram video where I try the, well, one of the crazy long eyelash mascaras. I hope you enjoyed it. You probably didn't learn anything. If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye.